How can you get a ringtone in a specific app notification on the iPhone? So let me explain how it works. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more and upcoming videos like this one. Anyways, in order to change like notification style for a specific service or an app, at first I think it's best to check out the settings and sounds and haptics section where these categories of like different types of notifications can be managed. So we have the ringtone, the text message notification, voicemail, new regular mail, sent email, calendar, and these things right here can most definitely have their notifications changed, right? So for example, if I click on a text tone, I can literally pick from the built-in like tones, but at the bottom I also have the ringtones section. And so the ringtones I purchased from the internet or those which I created myself are going to be used or can be used for even for incoming messages, right? Or for notifications for specific app. But it doesn't apply to every single app, as you can notice. If I go to notification section specifically and check out some specific app, I don't know, like something random, like a social media app or something, right? There we don't really have much control over the sounds, right? Like I can enable the sound, right? But I don't have the ability to change it. For example, for WhatsApp as well, I can enable the sound, but not much can be done. However, usually with these apps, you can explore more settings inside of that application particularly. So in terms of WhatsApp, I can click on WhatsApp notification settings. It moves me over into that app right away. And in here, you can as well see that I can change the sounds for that particular thing. But it's again from those which the developers of WhatsApp have decided that I can pick from. Right, so from that point on, it depends on the developers of the app and how they decided to integrate the feature, the changing of the notification sound into their app. So I hope that I could explain it well in this video. Let me know what you think. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one in the future, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.